Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 148 of Gardening Without Edits. Pretty close to doing my 20 videos by this weekend with a bet I had with somebody else. I'm going to be showing you a video right now. I used to love this plant, but there's a problem with it. I'll show you right now. This is a Citronella, the Mosquito one, the Mosquito plant. I'm not watering it anymore. It's drying out. The problem with this, there was two main problems. One, it was a snail apartment complex. There were tons of snails that would live in here, and I know because I like to garden at night, so you could see what all kind of critters and insects come out. I was about to say the freaks come out at night, so that's when you want to go to the garden, check out all the critters and little insects at nighttime. So hopefully YouTube doesn't slap my wrist for that one. Anyways, there's just like 20-30 of snails would come out, and then they would come back in the morning. And also there were my neighbors complained, not to me, but complained about the rats happening, a lot of rats around the area. And there was a family of mice, or at least one rat I saw, but I saw mice in here. So this needs to go. And does it do as well as this? Let me show you. I got the mosquito. I have a video on that as well. I'll show up this video as well, the mosquito trap. It has so far caught I think about 200 mosquitoes and other bugs. And only one beneficial I saw, a lacewing, got caught in there. Maybe two, and that's it. No bees or anything like that, no ladybugs. So mostly mosquitoes. Yeah, anyways, I thought we were talking about the cherimoya. I just got caught up with the mosquitoes. I still move around like this when I'm filming. I always kick up my legs like this when I'm filming about mosquitoes. So this fits with this plant. When I'm filming, I'm doing this because the mosquitoes are landing on my legs. Not anymore with that machine. So you did well, Citronella Plant, but it's time to go. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.